Okay, I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on this phone, okay, or any phone that allows you to. I'm going to show you, okay. You go to settings, you scroll down to say about device, and scroll down where it says build number, tap it 7 times until it says you're a developer. Go back to developer. If this is soft, you put it on, you tick it to put it on, and then if you got this in your phone, you like it, okay. So you just tick this and USB debugging, okay. I show you. You enable this and USB debugging. You have to say okay. All right. So you all set to go. So now we're gonna get ready. We're gonna plug in our phone. But first, we're gonna open the command prompt. Uh, okay. So, and now we plug in our phone. Okay. So. If you ask you permission, just do it. Okay, tick in there and say okay. Alright, now just put them in file transfer. Okay, so now you're in. And to see if your phone is communicating with your computer, you type ADB devices. See, my device is right there, so I'm ready to go. So the next step is to go into the bootloader in the phone. So for Windows 10, you have to type fastboot reboot bootloader. Okay, for Windows 7, you use ADB reboot bootloader. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this works for any phone. Okay, this is the Blue Studio XL2, but it works for any phone. Okay. You can see right here, it says, okay, it says fast boot mode. Okay, so we are there. Okay, so uh, okay, so we are in the fast boot. So now what you have to do, you're gonna type fast boot OEM unlock. Okay, fast boot OEM unlock. Okay, so press enter, and there we go. Okay, so now what we have here, it says to unlock the bootloader, value not. To not unlock, value down. Okay, I already unlocked it, so I don't need to do it. So I'm gonna press value down. Okay, and it's gonna show you that you can reboot from here. I tried that, doesn't work. Okay, so what you do, you just type fastboot reboot, and that is gonna reboot your phone. okay? Or you have to put a space. Okay, so fast boot reboot. Okay, so there we go. So now your phone supposed to be unlocked. You lost all your files, you guarantee everything, okay? And you have to enter your information all over again. So uh, this is the way it works. Just let me show you one more thing, okay, about my drivers. You know, they look like they're not installed properly because all these warnings here. But as you can see, I just show you how to unlock the phone, and that the phone is communicating with the computer. So even though you see this warning here, my drivers are installed just fine. Okay, so if that happens to you, don't worry about it. If you see that, that's the way it works. So in some computers anyway. So good luck. All right.